Hello everyone, and if you feel tight in your neck, this is the go-to exercise to feel a whole lot better in a very short period of time. And all we're going to do is place both hands like this on our neck and then gently squeeze the neck as if we're squeezing a sponge. So imagining we're squeezing water out of a sponge, and when we slowly let go, we're going to imagine the sponge filling with water. So let's quickly do this. I'm going to place my hands on my neck like so, and I'm just going to squeeze and let go. So I'm doing this motion, squeezing, and letting go. Very good. Squeeze and let go, and imagine squeezing water out of a sponge. So your focus while you do an exercise is really important, increases the benefit manyfold. So we're focusing on squeezing a sponge, and then when we let go, we can imagine water flowing back in. So squeezing, and then we add a little bit of a head nod. So you move your head forward just a little bit and squeeze, and then you come back up. It's not really a stretch, it's just a little bit of a motion. So we squeeze as we go down and let go as we come up. So a little bit of a squeeze. Very good. I'm going to do a squeeze and a little bit of a lateral motion and squeeze. Very good. And then just a little bit of rotation, a little bit of squeezing as you do that. Good. And then very slowly take your hands down, because this is a very effective exercise. And then notice how your neck feels, and just feels so soft and released and comfortable. Wonderful exercise if you have desk neck. And it will also eliminate the root cause of the problem, because it improves your posture, which is what we need to do. And if you enjoyed this, then please visit my upcoming webinar. We're gonna have lots of fun, all kinds of exercise for the shoulder, neck, and face, and for the upper spine. We're gonna feel so good. You're gonna get the PDF with all the exercises, as well as you can watch the replay. So looking forward to seeing you there, and have a wonderful day.